Hey guys, it's Anthony Scott, and this one thing can make or break you as a business or if you're here to get social media clients. So that's what we do. We help you grow your social media client base or we help you grow your business. That's what BasedToBoss.com is all about, but let's get right into it. So this one thing as a business or running a social media agency will absolutely hurt you. And what that one thing is not having an SOP. So as an agency, if you are working with clients and you're not getting paid to post every single day, then this is going to be a huge problem because not only now are you expected to run ads, create content, post, and maybe across multiple platforms, but you are going to run into a lot of problems by not having an SOP. So what would exactly this SOP be for your business or for your clients? So this works for both because Base to Boss is going to teach you how to grow any of your clients. So within the course, I also absolutely teach you how to get clients. So why do you absolutely need an SOP? An SOP is going to help you determine what a standard operating procedure is going to be for social media duties. That's right. Not having an SOP for social media duties is hurting you as either an agency owner or a business owner because of many different things. There's one thing that I can't get across enough to my clients, that what are your people doing when they're not doing anything? And the absolute answer is screen time. They're on their phones. And there's nothing wrong with that. But at the same time, you could utilize that time to do something in the business. You could utilize that time to pick up your phone and create a post. And in order to absolutely help you do better business this year and increase your sales, increase your visibility, we want to create better branding champions for your business. So just by adding a simple duty, a social media duty SOP will help you educate everybody within your business or help you help your client do more content, and by breaking down the duties by shifts. So this is exactly how it will go. So step one would be define the purpose and scope of your SOP. Start by clearly defining the process, task, or activity that the SOP will cover. So identify the objectives of the SOP and what's intended to achieve. Specify the scope of the SOP, including who will be responsible for carrying out the procedure and any limitations or constraints. Identify the stakeholders. Determine who the SOP will affect and who needs to be involved in developing and implementing the procedure. Obtain input and buy-in from all relevant parties. So including subject matter experts, managers, and employees. So this is just who's involved in the process, okay? Conduct a task analysis. Break down the process, task, or activity into smaller steps or tasks. Identify the critical steps, any safety or compliance issues, and any potential roadblocks or bottlenecks. So determine the sequence of steps and inputs and outputs of each step. Step 4. Write the procedure. Start with an outline that includes the key sections of the SOP, such as the purpose, scope, responsibilities, procedures, and references. Write each step in clear, concise language, using active voice and avoiding technical jargon. Use visuals such as flowcharts, diagrams, and tables to help explain the procedure. All right, so test the SOP. Run through the procedure yourself or have someone else test it to make sure the work is identified. Identify any issues or areas for improvement and revise the procedure as necessary. Step 6, review and revise. Have someone else review the SOP and provide feedback. Make revisions as necessary to ensure that the SOP is complete, accurate, and easy to follow. Document Step 7, document and distribute. Document the SOP in a form that is easily accessible and distributed to all relevant parties. Make sure that everyone who needs to know the SOP is aware of its existence and has access to it. Keep it up to date. SOPs should be reviewed regularly to ensure that they remain current and accurate. Be sure to update the SOP as needed and notify stakeholders of any changes. So that would be for like big companies, but management, I would just replace stakeholders with management. So by following these steps, you can create an effective standard operating procedure that will help to improve the efficiency and safety of your organization. So absolutely, having an SOP will help you help your clients or help your business immediately. So right away, you might be thinking, well, we have somebody, okay, versus instead now take that 30, 40 grand you're taking one person to post and put it into your marketing, or put it into your I would put it into your marketing, or buy more product for your business, or whatever, or recommend to your clients, hey, you could effectively eliminate a whole $30,000-$40,000 position, take on our team, and then you could pitch your 1 year, agreement to them that, hey, if we are going to take over the roles of social media, also we would like to implement an SOP that you have to be okay with. So that's going to help you. So when you create like high-end, really nice content for them, you are sharing this content with them, and you're not having to go back there like, oh man, like I have no support from your team, because like in which way would you want to get paid to post every day for a company? Okay. And if you're doing it, you should only be doing it like Monday through Friday, and still encouraging them and their team members to educate them on the SOP. So then once you have an SOP, obviously it goes out in an email to everybody. You have one quick training, bring it up at a meeting if you're a business owner, and just let everybody know, hey, going forward, I'm going to be giving you guys editor access to Instagram and Facebook or wherever you guys are on social media, so you guys can post. Here are the duties for posting. We want you to be posting, let's say you say, employees should be posting 2 to 3 times per shift, and then have a list of appropriate accepted content that is okay. Like there's different things I teach within Basic to Boss to help business owners and to help people get social media clients, to help their clients, and help you guys. You can check it out there. But to create like a cheat sheet form, or to create like some kind of quick, this is the acceptables, here's our color palette, here's this, and just add that to your SOP. By doing that, you are going to, you're going to alleviate some of the stress from you, but this isn't like a get out of work option while you're still posting. This is they're going to save money by having somebody that's just designated to post for their company, and include more people. Like let's say if there's 2 people on shift and they're, I don't know, whatever they're doing for whatever company, 3 people on shift, 4 people on shift, whatever it is, it's a hair salon, whatever, 1 or 2 people per shift can post 2 to 3 times throughout the period of the day for the business. And they can look at your acceptable content guidelines to know what to post quickly and easily. So they're not wasting time. They're not scrolling around for ideas. And then you can have a copywriting outline of this is ideas, examples of acceptable copy for our business. Always include this call to action, or always include these hashtags, whatever it is. But this will help you help your clients, your social media clients, be successful. And this will help any business be successful, because I see the problem of a lot of businesses that don't have a clear SOP for social media duties. What's happening is they're either hiring an outside company to do other posting, which is fine, but the best benefit you're going to get is to make everybody aware of your SOP, so everybody's chipping into the process. They have a clear, concise thing to follow. They know, what's acceptable, what not for copy and content. They're creating it while they're there, and everything looks way better, and you're going to add more faces to your company as well, and you're going to be operationally, executionally, everything. You're going to be an absolute beast by doing this method. So by creating an SOP for your clients that you work with or your absolute business, this is going to help you be an operational monster when it comes to social media, and it's going to alleviate all the duties. In some cases, you're going to even be able to get rid of one position that you're probably paying somebody, over $30,000 a year just to keep social media running, and they're probably not even running ads. They're probably not even creating amazing content. They're probably not doing an audience growth plan. They're probably not a million things they're probably not doing is why my creative agency gets hired. Because we support bigger size businesses. We're thankful to do that. But more importantly, if you want to grow your business this year and absolutely get social media clients with my Base to Boss method, we've never not failed. So the only thing this is not for e-commerce. We're not an e-commerce course. So I want to help you grow your business. I want to help you create more sales, get more clients. I want to help you get your first few clients, and I want to help you take your client's business or your business from Base to Boss. That's absolutely everything we do over Base to Boss. You can check it out, get my free training. That will absolutely help you be aware of what we do, who we've worked with, how we're doing it, and how we've just been operationally, successful, how we've been successful doing what we do. But more importantly, you're going to get a lot of value on our calls. So yeah, and then we also have office hours to help you guys. So until next time, create your SOPs and go out there and be absolutely lethal. And I'll see you in the private group. Check out basetoboss.com for the free training.